All right, quick little update here. So I have been getting a few inquiries on how my current solar panels are wired. As I stated in the other video, there are 8 200-watt solar panels here wired in series parallel in 2 separate arrays. And they feed in through to the house via these 2 wires here. So going underneath here, the way I have these set up in a series parallel configuration for the first array, so the 2 panels right here on the end, we can see are connected into a series, and then the other 2 right here next to them are also, as you can see right there, connected in series. And then the positive and negatives on the far ends of the last panels, so the panel here and the panel that's on the far right over there, get brought into, over here, this Y branch connector, or this MC4 splitter connector here, which goes for positive on one connector and then negative on the other. So, and then it terminates into a 15 amp fuse at the bottom here, and a 15 amp fuse here for the other side for the second Y branch connector. And then these fuses, that's just there for a fail-safe, just in case if something happens and it overcurrents, it's not going to blow up the power stations that I have inside or cause a fire through the wiring and stuff. So it should blow this fuse first before causing a problem, in theory. So that's the hope. Anyway, so that's the first array. Moving over here to the last 4 panels. Again, it's the exact same thing. The first 2 are wired right there, as you can see, in series. Going over here to the final 2, those are also wired in series. And then the same exact thing as the first array, we have another positive and negative Y branch connectors terminating to a fuse again. So that's the first one. And then here is the second branch connector, again terminating into a 15 amp fuse. So that is how I currently have these 8 panels wired and configured to be able to feed into the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus power station to max it out at its total maximum capacity of 1,000 watts of input. So I hope that answered your guys' questions on how these panels are wired. If you guys have any further questions, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you guys out the best as I can.